Thank you so much. Napakainit. Kamusta, Angel? Bakit parang wala kayong reaksyon? Kamusta, Pure Gold? Hindi nyo ba nagustuhan? Masaya ba kayo? Ah! Wow! Oh! Wait! Parang pamilya. Ah! Wow! May pabidyo din. And more! Grabe na ko eh. Wow! Kanina. Nakita talaga natin mga biglang, ha?
Nandiyan ba yung SB19?
Oo naman.
Gusto mo bang manood sa Pure Gold concert sa akin?
Di ba may awarding?
Oo, tara.
Tara!
Awarding? Awarding?
Tayo, gusto nyo rin bang sumama? Tara!
Ganit! Wow! Cute! Oh, wow!
Are you ready for the Pure Gold Award?
Wow, meron din pala. Meron din awards. Seryoso po ba?
We are awarding 6 awards tonight, and can you guess who the winners will be?
Oh!
First up, we have Hari ng Daan Award.
Hari
The
ng Daan.
Hari ng Daan Award goes to... It's a boy!
It's
a boy!
Ito na naman sa ito na habay. I keep running hard. First of all, thank you, Pure Gold. Pero,
To Pablo, my explanation. To Pablo, we award the Hari ng Daan Award for his amazing EDSA track and for winning rubber on the streets with his trusty motorcycle. Not only that, but as the CEO of 1Z and the main composer and the main composer of SB19, you have also become a key player in paving the way for people as a music genre.
pinuno. Gusto ko pasalamatan yung Pure Gold sa pag-recognize nito. And syempre gusto ko pasalamatan SB19. Syempre mga brothers ko, hindi naman to matutupad kung wala sila. Syempre 18, lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa kanilang mga idolo. Mabuhay kayo lahat. Wala kami dito ngayon sa entablado kundi dahil sa inyo. Sa mga magulang namin, syempre sa mga nagpalaki sa amin. And syempre sa staff namin, supporters and everyone na talagang sila yung nagpapatakbo ng makina namin. Wala kami dito ngayon kung hindi dahil sa kanila. Sila yung tunay na harap. Pero Pure Gold, maraming salamat dito. Hey! Salamat po.
Sino nga ba yung next na magkaka-award? King of the Night! Ferdo!
King of the Night? King of the Night? King of the Night?
Ikaw kumanta mo na sa atin ang parada.
Wow, maraming salamat po, King of the Night. Parang siguro kasi natawag ako ganito. Nasa lang tonight. Hindi ako natutulog.
To Josh, the King of the Night title really belongs to you, not only as a nod towards Wild Tonight and Your Never Aging, useful and vampire-like looks, but also as someone who truly never sleeps. Yeah, you have become famous for dropping MVs, songs, events, and collaborations left and right, truly proving that success comes to those who work for it.
Wow, syempre po, itong award na to, King of the Night lang bumalo sa amin, para po sa SB19, 18, at sa BBB. Salamat po. King of the Night. Wala na, King of the Night.
The next award goes to the lyric king, of course, no other than
Justin! Yes, Samuel.
may pangalan mo.
Hindi ako. May pangalan ba?
Tell mo.
Oo.
To Stel, we award the
Of course.
But not only that, this award also represents how we truly believe that, like your voice, you can soar to truly great heights, not only as a member of SB19, but as your own self.
Yes, sakto.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat, AK, for giving us this award. Well, actually, with all the blessings na dumadating, it's not us, but it's God na talagang nagbibigay sa amin ng strength and lakas ng loob. Kaya naman, this award is really not for me, but to all the people who really supports me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ken. Thank you. Yeah. So, next award. Sino nga ba yung magkaka-award na next? Superior King! Okay, so to Ken, we award the title Superior King not only as a nod towards your own company, Superior Son, and your superior fashion sense, and also as an acknowledgement of your true superior talent, vocalist, dancer, rapper, guitarist, composer, writer, artist, you can really do it all.
First of all, masaya ako sa mga tao na bumibili ng merch ko, which is yung Superior Son. Maraming salamat kasi na-enjoy niyo yung mga jacket, tsaka mga hoodie, tsaka t-shirt na ginagawa ko para sa inyo. Pagpasensyahan niyo na kung last release ko medyo tumaas yung presyo. Sulit naman yan, so... Ayun, maganda naman yung vlog. Drink is important, so yan. Maraming salamat sa lahat.
And last but not the least, of course, for our individual awards, we award King Car to Justin.
King Kong! Parang may goal! Thank you po.
We name you King Car for your truly corny jokes. You know, kidding aside, corn represents so much more than that. In literature and ancient worlds, corn represented growth and rebirth. And truly, no one can deny how much you've grown from when you first debuted as the youngest member of SB19 to who you are now as a soloist. I can think of nobody else who represents growth more.
Hey! Manis! Maraming salamat. Graduate na ako. Thank you. And thank you so much, meeting sa support nyo and appreciating all those things na ginagawa namin for you guys. So, thank you so much. We love you guys. Parang graduation talaga.
To SB19, the award, of course, P-Pop King!
Maraming salamat.
To our Mahalima, we award the title P-Pop Kings, not only for paving the way for P-Pop as we know it today, but for truly wanting everyone within your quote-unquote kingdom to prosper. You lead by example by living your dream of conquering the world through your music, much like the conquistadors and kings of old. You wear many crowns as evidenced by the trophies you hold, but your journey from rags to riches, from obscurity to fame, is one of your most treasured crowns, and we hope that you wear it proudly. All hail to P-Pop Kings.
Thank you so much, guys. Super gulat kami kung ano itong pakulo nyo. And sobrang di namin alam ano paano mag-react, but super thankful kami. Alam namin na grabe yung mga pinaghihirapan yung ginagawa nyo for us. So, thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys.
Yes.
Salamat.
At para sa inyo po,
Grabe naman yun.
Gulat Kings! Grabe na, gulat yun ah. Okay.
Kaya pala walang lumabas ang prompter, ha?
Well, una-una sa lahat, gusto namin magpasalamat sa mga fan bases na talagang ginagawa yung best nila just to, mapakita sa sinusupport nilang idol, yung pagmamahal and support nila. So, palakpakan naman natin ang lahat ng fan base na nandito. Yes. Maraming salamat po sa time, effort, love, and all the support na binibigay ko sa amin.
Yes, syempre hindi lang naman yan po ang awards dito sa gabing ito, kundi lahat po na pumunta dito ay panalo. Sabi nga ni Pure Gold, nasa iyo ang
Nasa
panalo.
atin ang panalo.
Nasa
Nasa ating lahat.
Nasa atin.